Newton din sila, apply din and then, small piston naman din. So, say, ang area na ay 0.005 square meter. So, sa equivalent na force diri na mao'y mag-stop sa vehicle from turning. So, F2 over, syempre, given na ng diameter sa piston nila. Say, ang yung area ay 1 square meter. Example lang ha. So, how much is the equivalent force na ma-apply dito sa brake? So, 1 over 0.005, how much? Cross multiply. 1 over 0.005? 200 Newton. So, in other words, so 1 Newton na i-apply po sa pedal dali, equivalent na sa 200 Newton na mag-stop the wheel from turning. And this is just a simple or small na force. Di ba na 1 Newton din na
So there are different types of fundamentals, but I will only be discussing the traffic stream parameters and the rest will be discussed by my co-authors. So what is traffic stream parameters? So by definition, it provides information regarding the nature of the traffic flow condition which helps the analyst in detecting any variation in the flow characteristics. So, galing traffic stream, ngunit silang mga parameters that would help us understand how the traffic is moving on the road. Kung i-analyze natin ang mga parameters, may bala na to ang changes, ang conditions sa traffic flow sa road. So there are 3 types of parameters. The first one is the flow, the second one is the speed, and the third one is the density. So the first parameter, which is the flow, it is defined as the number of vehicles that pass a point on a highway or a given lane or direction of a highway during a specific time period. So there is a flow, hindi na gumabalaan or hindi na gumakalculate kung unsa ka busy ang sa road, kung heavy traffic pa siya or light traffic pa siya. So ang formula for the flow is the number of vehicles over the time period. So I have here an example. The first location is the JP Laurel Avenue, Davao City, and another observation is 150 vehicles pass a point in 10 minutes. So given the formula for the flow, na Q is equal to the number of vehicles over the time.
Models use mathematical formulas to describe how vehicle interact on the road. So, kanin siya ng model na maka-help ka for traffic forecasting and management, and road design by analyzing the relationship between the variables that will eventually implement. So, there are 3 types of traffic stream models: the macroscopic, microscopic, and mesoscopic. So macroscopic is focused overall traffic flow. Then ang micro is individual, like for vehicle lang siya. Ang mesoscopic is the combine of the 2 types of traffic stream models. So, ang variable mo ito kay magbing na traffic. So, balance na, sabi na dito, sita, relationship na. Okay, relationship, please discuss relationship. Relationship between the variables. So, flow density relationship. Flow, mag-increase ang minimum flow mag-increase ang flow, which means ang density at ang